Hello and welcome! As part of the recent update to the Braille Note Touch Plus KeySoft, we have introduced a new application that records and plays back audio notes and other media files. Whether you're making a quick audio note or playing back your favorite song, KeyRecorder keeps it simple, fast, and accessible. The new media player application called KeyRecorder can be found on the main menu. Pressing the letter M will take me to the application using first letter navigation. When opening the application, you will be presented with three options. Open. This option opens the file manager, allowing you to select a supported media file to play. Start recording. This option starts the audio recording. And finally, Settings, where the option to deactivate and activate toast notifications. Whilst you can start recording within the application, we have also introduced a global shortcut that will allow you to record from anywhere. Pressing backspace plus enter plus R will instantly start the audio recording when you need it. KeyRecorder supports various audio formats like MP3, MP4, and 3GP. All recordings are saved as MP3 files. To start playing back an audio file, select the Open item from the KeyRecorder menu. This will open up your file manager. Simply navigate to the file you wish to play and press Enter to start playing it back through the KeyRecorder application. When you play an audio file, you will notice the Braille display showing the lower G sign, dots 2, 3, 5, and 6. This marks the position of your audio file and will move through each Braille cell to show you the progression. At any point during the playback, press a cursor to jump to a specific position in the file. For example, if you have a Braille Note Touch plus with 32 Braille cells, pressing cursor 16 starts playback from 50% of the file. There are multiple ways you can navigate through your audio file using several elements. Here's a list of what you can do during your playback. You will, however, need to be in the application in order to navigate. Press space with G to play or pause your audio. Rewind by pressing the left thumb key and fast forward with the right thumb key. To go to the start of the file, press space with L. To reach the end, press space with dots 4, 5, 6. Use the command Enter with G to jump to a specific time. And lastly, the Where Am I command, space with dots 1, 5, 6, shows your current position as a percentage, time elapsed, and time remaining. Thanks, we hope you enjoyed this new update.